This is Sony Xperia 1 Mark V, and today I will show how you can scan a document into a PDF file on this device. So first step is to find and launch the Google Drive app. It should come pre-installed with your phone. If not, or perhaps you have uninstalled it earlier, just download it for free from the Google Play Store. Once you've launched the Drive app, tap at this plus icon, choose the scan option, allow Drive app to have the access to camera, and then take your document and capture a photo. After the photo is taken, you will be forwarded to the scan editing interface. Over here you can change the color scheme, rotate your file, and frame the part of the original raw photo that you would like to be included into the scan at the first place. You can also align it, then save your result, save it once again, give it a few seconds to be uploaded to Google Drive, and here you have it. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.